Welcome to the Visualization Data in the Power BI series, where you can build a professional and interactive dashboard using the DAX and UX design interface. If you missed any previous video or any model, you can always go back and continue from the playlist before watching this lesson. So today module we will learn how to the HASONEVALUE functions help us building the more reliable and interactive and user-friendly Power BI reports by handling single or multiple selections correctly, right? So let's jump on the screen and try to listen what is the HASONEVALUE in the Power BI. Basically, if any duplicate value come there in the top filter, so it will give the true and false value. In this example, there is a multiple order of the particular customer, so we can't say that is who is the top one, because all order the same. Here if the all revenue are the same, we can't say this is who one is the first one or second one, because this is same value, same revenue are coming, so I can't find the top one. So let's jump on the Power BI and try to understand this scenario. See, there is one table. In this table there is a revenue, order and the customer name, right? In 2022 there is a slicer, so there is a top customer by the revenue is this one. Okay, there is no issue there because there is only highest value. Second highest value is this one. And if I'll just go there, in 2021 we can see this is the highest value of that particular person, and for order and the revenue. What if there is a multiple customer of the same value? See, in the 2020 in the slicer, if you see the value 3578, 3578, 3578, but it is giving the name that is the basically wrong, right? So what we can do? We can simply handle it through the HASONEVALUE. I'll do one thing. I just already written the DAX formula there to show how I handle this. Earlier, I'm just using simply the DAX function. Now I'm just using this DAX with the value. If the value is available on the first max customer, will give the name, otherwise I will give the multiple customer, right? See, the 2021 that person is first one, right? If this is duplicate, so it will come the duplicate customer. So I'll also handle this order by total order. See this value. Now this is a multiple customer, so I'm just giving this one. If there's one customer, I'm going to order this one. See the value of this one, right? This is a four order of this person. Now I handle the revenue also. Revenue is like this. If I'll just click here, if the multiple customer, so it will give the value is like this, right? So it's a very helpful functions or tool in the Power BI. If you are getting the multiple or duplicate value in the top one, right? So you can handle this one. So only that value will come whatever I will give there. So now I'm just taking as a duplicate as a multiple customer. You can write any name over there to check it. I hope you understand this one. If not, you can connect with me. I'll just try to more properly in this way. See you in the next video.